अडब नमस्कार मुद्रा। ओम संगचत्यम संबोधत्यम शम्भो मनासि जानताम् देवाभागं यथा पूर्वे संजनाना उपासते। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनो भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शांति ही। काम गर्म हो जाने से धीरे धीरे चेहरे पे लगा। Gently open your arm. Okay, everyone, stand up. We'll go for Sukshma Vyama today. First, Griva Shakti Vikas. Both hands side of your body, straight. Griva Shakti Vikas. Okay, E. Twist your head towards right side. 1. And left side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back. Griva Shakti Vikasam 2. Touch your chin with your sternum notch. And slowly let back 1. And down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back. Now, Griva Shakti Vikas का 3. Both leg attached. ऐसे दोनों पैर एक साथ. Touch your chin with your sternum notch. अभी 180-degree rotation, just like this. 1, reverse. Okay, all together. Starting from left side. दोनों हाथ शरीर के साथ सटा हुआ रहेगा. Start 1. Return. 2. Reverse. 3. Reverse. 4. Reverse. 5. Reverse. Come back. Now we'll go for Griva Shakti Vikasaka 5. Try to kneel, then inhale and expand your abdomen. Exhale and twist. 25 times. 25 बार करना. Okay. Start all together. सांस लेते हुए पेट फुलाना है और सांस छोड़ते हुए पेट को अंदर करना. नेक को टाइट करना है. 25 बार करना. 25 टाइम. ऑल टुगेदर. स्टार्ट. relax. Now we'll go for the next practice, that is Bhuj Vali Shakti Vikas. First, right hand. Raise your right hands up, but do not touch the periods. हाथ ऐसे ही बाहर की तरफ रहेगा. हाथ जब नीचे आएगा हाथ तक थाई के साथ नहीं लेंगे. Starting भुज वाली शक्ति विकास E. Starting from right hand side. 1 down, 2 down, 3 down, 4 down, 5 down. Okay, now left hand. Start. 1 down, 2 down, 3 down, 4 down, 5 down. Now both hands together. Start. 1 down, 2 down, 3 down, 4 down, 5 down. Release. Now we'll go for पूर्ण भुज शक्ति विकास. अच्छा, राइट हैंड ऐसे फिस्ट लॉक कर लेंगे. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ऑफ योर बॉडी. Inhale and hold your breath and rotation forward to backward in this direction. Inhale and hold your breath and start. And forcefully exhale and start your abdomen in. सांस छोड़ना है ऐसे और पेट अंदर जाएगा. ठीक है. 5 times. This is 1 time. ऐसे करके फॉरवर्ड टू बैकवर्ड करके फिर सांस छोड़ना. This is 1 round. ऐसे ही 5 बार करना है. Continue your practice and count yourself 5 times. Inhale and hold your breath and go for it. Okay. After 5 times, reverse means backward to forward. Inhale and hold your breath and go for it. Okay. Reverse भी 5 times हो जाने के बाद अभी with left hand फिस्ट लॉक कर लेंगे. Inhale and hold your breath and forward to backward rotation. Start. Inhale and hold. Continue. दूसरा हाथ साइड थाई से ऐसे लगा हुआ रहेगा. Continue your practice. Inhale and hold. Continue 5 times. Continue 5 times. Okay. After 5 times, backward. Inhale and hold your breath and पीछे से सामने की तरफ. Okay. Inhale and hold and go for it. Continue. Continue. Now, both hand together, दोनों हाथ एक साथ, fist lock, thumb inside, मुष्टिका बंद, अभी forward to backward, this direction and then slowly, forcefully exhale. Okay. Okay. Both hand together, fist lock, inhale and hold your breath and go for it. Continue 5 times. Okay. After 5 times, we'll go for backward to forward. Inhale and hold your breath and go for it. After 5 times, we'll go for next abhyas, that is Kati Shakti Vikas. The Kati Shakti is for our trunk. Right hand ऐसे twist lock कर लेंगे, left hand से ऐसे पकड़ लेंगे, दोनों हाथ एक साथ, ऐसे दोनों पैर एक साथ, सांस लेते हुए पीछे की तरफ मोड़ना है. Inhale and out back, exhale and down. So this is Kati Shakti Vikasak 1A. Start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back. Left hand fist lock, right hand से पकड़ लेंगे, दोनों पैर एक साथ. Inhale and out back 1, exhale and down 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back. Ready. Kati Sakti Vikas 2. Spread your legs more than 3 feet apart. दोनों हाथ ऐसे. Thumb should be visible from follow. अभी सांस लेते पीछे झुकना है. Inhale and exhale down. 2. Okay. Okay. All together. Start. 1, 2 down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back. There it is. Now, Kati Sakti Vikasana 3. This is just like robotics. दोनों हाथ ऐसे साइड वाइज रहेगा. सांस लेते हुए पीछे 1 and then सांस छोड़ते 2. हाथ दोनों साइड से ऊपर उठ जाए. ठीक है. अल्टीमेट है फोरहेड को नी पे टच करना. जिसका टच होगा वो टच करे. जिसका जितना नीचे तक जा सके. ओके. ऑल टुगेदर. स्टार्ट. इनहेल एंड आउट. 1. Exhale and down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back. Now, Kati Sakti Vikasana 4A. 4A is both hands parallel to the shoulder. ये ऊपर नीचे नहीं होगा, ऐसे ही रहेगा. दोनों पैर एक साथ. Now bend towards left side. 1 and right side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back. अभी दोनों पैर ऐसे शोल्डर लेवल बराबर गैप कर लेंगे. अभी हाथों को जाके काफ मसल पे टच करने की कोशिश करें. थोड़ा पीछे से. स्टार्ट फ्रॉम लेफ्ट साइड. 1 and right side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back. Now, forceful exhalation towards right side. Just like this. 1, 2. Okay. Starting from right side. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back. Now we'll go for next for our knees. That is Jangha Shakti Vikasana 2A. Jangha Shakti Vikasana 2A. सांस लेते हुए उत्कटासन और चेयर पोज. सांस लेते हुए inhale and hold your breath and sit in chair pose. Inhale and sit. Continue 5 times. This is 1 time. Inhale and hold your breath and sit. Inhale and hold your breath and continue. Inhale and sit. Inhale and sit. Let's start. Okay. Now, जंघा शक्ति विकास का 2B, सांस लेते हुए टोक पर रुकना है, हील वाइड करके, नी वाइड करना है, हील एक साथ लगा हुआ रहेगा, हाथ ऐसे साइड वाइज, एंड यू नीड टू सिट ओवर देयर. ओके ओके. इनहेल एंड होल्ड योर ब्रेथ. ये भी 5 बार करेंगे. इनहेल एंड होल्ड योर ब्रेथ एंड हैव अ सिट. Continue 5 times. Continue. Okay. After 5 times, stop your practice. Now we go for Janu Shakti Vikas. Right leg forward, दोनों हाथ sideways, and kick करना है फुटबॉल में जैसे kick करना. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back. Left leg forward and start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back. Now, पदमूल शक्ति विकास. पदमूल शक्ति विकास का एक टोक पर उठना है and then skipping. Start. 1, 2, 25, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. अभी 25 times स्टोक के ऊपर उठना है and then 25 times spot jump. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Start. Now, Gulfa Padaprishtha Padakala Shakti Vikas. Now, Gulfa Padaprishtha Padakala Shakti Vikas. Right leg forward, 9-inch or 10-inch effort from the ground, and then rotation. 1, 2, half side में. 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 5, 4, 3. Tanya. Half side में. 4, 5. Out. Relax. Left leg forward, in out. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back. Okay. Release. Now we'll go for Stula Vyama, Sarvanga Push. Spread your leg more than 3 feet apart. Adapt. Switch lock. Left hand forward, right hand उसका पीछे रहेगा. Inhale and hands up. Arch back. Exhale and bend towards left side. Change your hand. Inhale and arch back and slowly towards down. Right side. 2. Change. Inhale and exhale. 3. Change.
4, right side. Change your hand. 5 towards left side. Change, inhale, reaches of the right side. 6, change your hand. Inhale, exhale. 7, change, inhale back. Exhale. 8, right side. Change your hand, inhale back. Exhale, left side. Change your hand, inhale, come back. Exhale towards right side. Change your hand, come back. Release your hands. This is called Sarvanga Pushti. Sarvanga Pushti means it energizes our whole body. This is macro circulation or Sthula Vyama. This is Sthula Vyama. Now we'll go for Breathe Gati. दोनों हाथ ऐसे फिश लॉक कर लेंगे, शोल्डर लेवल बराबर, लेफ्ट पैर और लेफ्ट लेग ऐसे फोल्ड कर लेंगे. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Come back. This is called Breathe Gati. Okay. Now we'll go for next abhyas, that is Surya Namaskar. Stand in front of your mat. Add up Namaskar Mudra. Both leg attached. Inhale, Hasuttanasana. Exhale, Padahastasana. Inhale, right leg back. Palm Asusanchalan. Exhale, left leg back. Parvatasana. Inhale, knee down. Exhale, chest down. System Namaskar. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Inhale, Dakshin Asusanchalan. Exhale, Padahastasana. Inhale, Hasuttanasana. Come back to Namaskar. Again, inhale, Hasuttanasana. Exhale, Padahastasana. Inhale, Palm Asusanchalan, right leg back. Exhale, left leg back, Parvatasana. Inhale, knee down. Exhale, chest down, System Namaskar. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Inhale, Dakshin Asusanchalan, right leg forward. Exhale, left leg forward, Padahastasana. Inhale, Hasuttanasana. Come back to Namaskar. Again, Hasuttanasana. Exhale, Padahastasana. Inhale, right leg back, Palm Asusanchalan. Exhale, left leg back, Parvatasana. Inhale, knee down. Exhale, chest down, System Namaskar. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Inhale, Dakshin Asusanchalan, right leg forward. Exhale, left leg forward, Padahastasana. Inhale, Hasuttanasana. Come back to Namaskar. Okay. Again, inhale, Hasuttanasana. Exhale, Padahastasana. Inhale, right leg back. Exhale, left leg back, Parvatasana. Inhale, knee down. Exhale, chest down, System Namaskar. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Inhale. Dakshina Susanchalan, right leg forward. Exhale, left leg forward, Padahastasana. Inhale, Hasuttanasana. Come back to Namaskar. Again, Hasuttanasana, Padahastasana. Inhale, right leg forward, back. Inhale, right leg back, left leg back, Parvatasana. Sastang Namaskar. Bhujangasana, Parvatasana, Dakshina Susanchalan, Padahastasana, Hasuttanasana. Come back to Namaskar. Again, Hasuttanasana, Padahastasana, Bam Asusanchalan, right leg forward, back, left leg back, Parvatasana. Inhale, knee down, exhale, chest down, Satya Namaskar. Inhale, Bhujangasana, Parvatasana, Dakshina Susanchalan, right leg forward, Padahastasana, Hasuttanasana. Come back to Namaskar. Again, Hasuttanasana, Padahastasana, Bam Asusanchalan, Parvatasana, Sastang Namaskar, Bhujangasana, Parvatasana, Dakshina Asusanchalan, Padahastasana, Hasuttanasana. Come back to Namaskar. Okay, last round. Inhale, Hasuttanasana, Padahastasana, Bam Asusanchalan, Parvatasana, Sastang Namaskar, Bhujangasana, Parvatasana, Dakshina Susanchalan, Padahastasana, Hasuttanasana. Come back to Namaskar. Okay, come back. Lie down on your back. We'll go for Savasana. Lie down in Savasana. Both hands side of your body. Slowly inhale and exhale. Exhale completely. Relax the whole body. Relax the whole body. Feel that your body or you are lying down on mat. Your whole body is collapsed with the mat. आपको महसूस करना है कि आप जमीन पे मैट को पे सोए हुए हो और समस्त शरीर मैट के साथ लगा हुआ है। संपूर्ण रूप से शरीर बहुत भारी हो गया है। शरीर बहुत भारी हो गया है। धीरे धीरे मन को लेके जाएंगे दोनों पैर की तरफ। फर्स्ट हम लोग बाएं पैर को फील करेंगे, फिर बाएं पैर के ऊपर कॉन्सेंट्रेट करेंगे। रिलैक्स कर देना है बाएं पैर को, पैर की उंगलियों को, पैर का नीचे का हिस्सा, रिलैक्स और लेफ्ट लेग, रिलैक्स, relax your calf muscle of your left leg, relax your knee and kneecap, relax the thigh and thigh muscles of left leg, completely relax. Relax your right leg, relax your heel, tiny touch of heel toe, relax the pelvis and tail and ankle joint. Relax your calf muscles, Relax your eye and eye muscle. Relax your hip joint. Relax your entire abdomen completely. Relax your thoracic region. Relax. Relax your both hands. दोनों हाथों को उंगलियों को रिलैक्स कर देंगे. Relax. Relax. Release. Relax your face, lower and upper jaw, left and right chest, left and right chest, relax your nose, relax your eyeballs and eyelids, relax your forehead and temple muscles. relax, complete. Feel your whole body from mind. Feel your whole body from mind. Now come back to body awareness. Feel the complete relax. Now simply move your gaze towards left and right side. धीरे धीरे से को बाएं तरफ लेके जाएंगे. धीरे धीरे दाहिने तरफ. फिर जैसे थे वैसे ही आगे. Gently move your fingers. पैर का उंगलियों को भी हिलाएंगे. रिलैक्स कर देंगे. धीरे धीरे दोनों पैर से स्टार्ट करेंगे. कोई भी एक साइड मुड़ जाएंगे, लेफ्ट और राइट साइड. Do not open your eyes. By support of your hand, come back to sit. For pranayama practice, sit any meditative posture. Siddhasana, Padmasana, Sukhasana, Vajrasana. We'll go for Kapalbhati. 60 strokes. Start Kapalbhati now. after 60 stroke. We'll go for Anulom Vilom. Nasika Mudra. Inhale from both nostrils. 3 rounds. Practice yourself. Anulom Viloma. Exhale from left. And continue. Good. After completion of Anulom Viloma, we'll go for Bhramari 3 rounds. Practice yourself. We'll go for closing prayer. Feel the vibration. Chant with me the closing prayer. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah. Sarve santu niramaya. Sarve bhadrani pashyantu. कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। रग पांव दोनों हाथ ऊपर रगड़ के गर्म कर लेंगे। गर्म हो जाने से धीरे धीरे चेहरे पे लगाना। And with a big smile, gently open your eyes. Okay, thank you everyone. अगर किसी का कुछ क्वेश्चन है, you may raise your hands up about regarding today's session. Okay, thank you everyone.